Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're gonna take you on an exclusive tour at the gym located at our resort and spa here in Cancun, Mexico, the Fiesta Americana Condesa Hotel. We're gonna go through the pros and the cons of the gym located on the grounds here so that you can get ready when you get here to get your pump on and get ready to go to the beach.
On this channel, we deliver fitness, nutrition, and personal development tips. So if you're new here or you're just stopping by, please consider subscribing. Thank you.
Follow me, YouTube. How you doing? So as you can see, they're taking care of the safety precautions right now. They just gave us hand sanitizer to place on our hands, and they're also going to check the temperature, which is also a safety precaution due to the pandemic here. So thank you guys for everything that you guys do. We appreciate you. Wow, you guys, look at the state of art. Look at the gym that they got here. Right away, Manuel is offering us water and also a towel, which is fresh, it's nicely warm. Okay, so we're gonna go over the first con. Right away, when we came off the plane, we wanted to work out. But what did we run into? We had to make reservations to make an appointment to come here because the current conditions right now, they have to sanitize everything and they have to make sure that there are not a lot of people here and that the minimum occupancy stays low so that the spread of germs is less likely to occur. The second con is going to be the lack of equipment or the lack of free weights. If you take a look around here, there are only machine weights here. Closest that you're going to get to free weights are dumbbells. But if you are an avid fitness enthusiast like us, any type of machine weights is better than no weights at all. Okay, so we appreciate the fact that they do have machines here, and they do have machines that are good running order, and we are very excited to try this stuff out. Alright, and the final con that we were able to find out was that, look around, you're not going to be in the comforts of your own home gym or the gym that you usually go to. You're going to have to get reaccustomed to all these machines here, depending upon what your comfort level is and what your training level is. So, just start to get comfortable with the fact that you're not going to be at home and these are not machines you've ever used before. But that's okay. You're still going to be able to get the job done. You're still going to be able to get your pump on. And you're going to be walking on the beach.
Hey guys, I'm going to go over the pros with you. So first of all, we have access to this gym. Otherwise, we'd be out there on the beach or finding a place at the resort to work out outside with our own body weight. So we have the luxury of equipment we can use to focus on specific body parts that we want to train. So the second pro, guys, is that they sanitize and clean everything. So that's definitely a pro and a plus for us because traveling during this pandemic could be a little scary. So it does give us peace of mind knowing that they're cleaning everything after each use. And the last pro, you guys, because we love fitness so much, is that we get to train every single body part here. They have enough equipment for us to train whatever we want so that we can go outside and hit the beach looking A-okay.
Okay, you guys, there you have it. Those are the pros and cons that we were able to come up with for you guys so that when you guys decide to come over here and stay at this specific hotel, you have some knowledge to go off of rather than nothing at all. If you'll excuse us, we got to get to our workout and we got to get our pump on before we head down to the beach. I'll see you there.
I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace. This time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home
Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, there you have it. We just finished our 20-minute workout with the equipment available here. Like we said, you don't need free weights. You don't need anything crazy to get a pump on. Now we're pumped, we're ready to hit the beach. Who's coming with me? What? Where's the beach? Oh, it's over there.
Wow, guys, that was a great workout. I can't believe I got this amazing pump with just a small amount of equipment that they have here in this gym. But we're ready to hit the beach. Let's do it.
Okay, there he is, there. There he is. Huh? Okay, get up now. This way. Get in the water now. Come on. Get in the water.
Kingston.
Nice.
So good. The ocean's beautiful.
Ocean to yourselves.
Yeah.
Nobody in there.
I want to see you go in. I see that big hunk of a man go in.